Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class in Bardwan Model School. Today I will revise I Want. Here you know the story. I think you have read this twice, thrice in your home. And the story is very nice. One monkey is there. He wants to be strong. So here at the time, wise woman hears this and she has given one magic wand. Do you know that wand? Wand is a magical stick. There, whatever you wishes, just it can be true. And at that time, giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. And what does monkey want? It wants a long neck like giraffe. At the time, it wishes, monkey wishes, then its neck grows long. After that, what does monkey see? It sees an elephant. Elephant comes down in river and it also just fills his trunk with water and monkey likes that. Again it wants a trunk like elephant. After that he was very happy because he grows a trunk. And that time he sees zebra. One zebra and zebra. Do you know what is zebra? It is an animal with black and white stripes. And monkey likes it very much. And he wants that stripes like zebra. And again that he has got it. After that, what happened? Do you know? Just it goes to drink water and what does he see? He has seen a reflection. Do you know what is the reflection? Reflection means that monkey looks his picture or photo in the water. And what happened? He cries and he cries and cries. And he was thinking he looks awful. Awful means very bad. Not only bad, it is different from another animal. Then he does not want all these things. Again he wishes whatever he was like this before. And then after, again he is himself. So he was jumping with joy. So what do you learn from this story? Whatever you are, you should be happy with this. And monkey is happy when he becomes again monkey. And monkey is having tail, monkey is jumping and it can jump from any tree, home, anywhere. So it is also having some good quality. All the persons like you, me and your parents, your grandparents, everybody is having the good quality. But all the qualities are different from each other. So here the qualities are good. So whatever you are, you should be happy. This story tells like this. So here he throws the magic wand into the river and he never wants to be anyone else again. So here some just words are difficult. Not difficult, you know all these words: strong, want, wishes, blows, trunk, monster. All these words you know that. And I think you have learned the spelling also. So this time you should do all these things very nicely. These tick mark questions, and also here there one thing is there, what would you do if you had a magic wand? These things I think you have written. Besides that also you can write 4 or 5 sentences you can write in your classwork copy or any copy. That is a very nice for you, because I would turn a pencil into a pen, I would turn you into a small rabbit, whatever you can do in your classwork copy. And again I am telling, all this matching you should do the number matching. You are in the class 2, so you need not to tell. Besides that, these things you should read: pride of lions, flock of birds, swarm of bees, herd of cows. Why they are telling like this? This is a group. So you should learn all these things: pride of lions, flock of birds, swarm of bees, and herd of cows. All these things are very nice, and you have learned all these 4 chapters many times from me and Sucharita ma'am. So I think you have learned all this chapter very nicely. So thank you. Have a nice day.